Welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi Q3 SE. The car has the daytime running lights with the lower front fog lights, headlight washer jets, and as we move around to the side of the vehicle, have the 17-inch 10-spoke design alloy wheels, chrome surrounds on the exterior windows with the chrome roof rails, with the rear parking sensors and also the twin polished chrome exhausts. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the heated exterior mirrors with the black interior with the beige inserts, automatic headlights and wipers with a 4-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel, with Audi's MMI display, dual digital climate control and an S-tronic automatic gearbox. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi Q3, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.